welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a look on Sasha. It is a full bronzy glam. So I started with the P. Louise eye base and I'm just popping that all over the eyelid and just being a little bit careful under the brow as well, just not to go up into it. And I like to blend it all over the lid. The next part is I'm just using like a softer brown shade and running that through the socket. I'm not being too neat with it. As you can see, it's picking up in a sort of funny way, but I'm just blending over the top. I'm going to layer a couple of colors over that. Next, I'm going to grab this really fluoro kind of orange color and I'm just dabbing it lightly in that crease on both eyes because I had a lot of product, and then now I'm blending that up and out just to create a smooth transition. You can see I have to go over it quite a couple of times and some of the P. Louise is grabbing. Now I'm grabbing a smaller brush that is kind of like a bullet brush and using that through that crease area again and just really building up the color. I have to grab a lot of product for this and go back and forth with the product a lot just to get that intensity of the darkness. I'm just using the Inglot gel pot now to cut the crease and just slowly using a flat brush to cut it. Just take your time doing this part because you don't want to go too high and you don't want to create a line that isn't very crisp. And you can see that I'm grabbing the top of Sasha's eyebrow and pulling the skin sort of up a bit just to get that good tension on the lid so that it's quite smooth. Now using the Urban Decay foundation, I really like this foundation. It has a really good wear. Depending on the skin color though, it can look a little bit grey. Oh, made Sasha laugh. So funny. Yeah, so just I blended in with the Beauty Blender and then now I'm using the NARS Custard Under Eye Concealer just to highlight under that eye area and bring that area out. Any lighter colors bring the area out, darker colors put the area in. So you'll see next after this, I'll do the contour and it creates that good chiseled look. I love these little fluffy brushes. They're so easy to blend the contour in with. And just along that jawline and carving out her jawline just to make it more crisp. She has a really good jawline to start with anyway. So I'm just adding the highlight onto her cheekbones and pressing it in with a bigger fluffy brush. I've moved from little fluffy brushes to big fluffy brushes for the highlight and I feel like I get way more intensity. And I'm just buffing. Oh no, I'm not buffing. I'm putting the blush over. Oh my God, how good does she look? Damn girl, woo! She looks so, so good. Look at her face. Oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna stop talking now. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. Bye, fam.